Hi, hello, vanakkam. This is Venki again with one more episode of VenBa Talks, and today I have a very exciting product. In fact, the reason that I'm calling it exciting is because I troubled these founders so much. I troubled them so much for one feature that I wanted in that particular application. I literally threw tantrums on them. Any update that I came, I used to mock them, saying that where is this feature, but they were very patient in terms of finding out how I will make it make it useful, etc. And then finally, once they released that feature, they released it really, really well. And then I really like the way that they asked. Now, do you think that we we deserve a review? Okay, so that's a kind of experience that I've had with this particular application. And in fact, today I'm going to talk about Ruttl, and I'm also have the founders of Ruttl with me on this show. Before I bring Harsh and Siddhita on the stage, I run an agency from India, and predominantly all creative work, website development, and all those things are primary work that we do. We've been having problems with respect to going back and forth with respect to the customer's requirement, understanding their requirement, and all those things. So I was always looking for a tool. I came into this deal, this thing very recently due to COVID. So by the time I had already lost out on user bag and all those, because I was not able to buy that. And there were a couple of other tools that came as well, and I religiously tried everything, and somehow I wasn't happy with any of those. And maybe it could be because of the plan, or it could be because of the features that I wanted, etc. Finally, when Ruttl came on, for the deal, I really, really got impressed. I started using it. I really liked it, but one feature which I was asking for is a C name, which I was not able to get it. So I kind of troubled them. In fact, I even stuck a gun to the head of, I think it was Harsh. So Harsh, and said, are you guys really committed to this product? And young guys, and the kind of patience that with which they answered my questions and made sure that I trust them, I rely on them, was very impressive. And I was just waiting for this particular event to happen. So here I welcome Harsh and Siddhita on Venba Talks. Hey, Harsh and
Yes.
Siddhita, welcome. uh,
Hello.
Okay, thank you for being here with me. I know how much I troubled you in the last 2 months, ever since the sumo day launch that happened, and immediately I bought the high, full stack of Ruttl. And probably I'm sure at some point of time you even thought that why did you even buy this product? That's the amount of pain that I gave you, be it in your in Slack channel or any emails that came on update. The first response would come from me asking, where is CNAME? Okay. So thank you so much for being very patient with me and delivering what I needed. My team is extremely happy using this particular application. In fact, I've been trying to have you guys on Venba Talks, for quite some time. Unfortunately, the time did not work between the three of us. Finally, we are here. And also, you went out of the deal platform, so it was I thought that we will not be able to get the lifetime deal anymore. That's also a reason why I was not contacting you earlier. But
Mhm.
just for people who are watching us, uh, await for an special discount of Ruttl. If at all you want to use it, if you want to buy it, they are giving us a special discounted price for a one-time cost as well, which will be disclosed during the session. So I'll keep talking till the cows come home about Ruttl, because I love the product. But I think you guys have to take over the stage and talk to my community. We are live on Bring Again group. We are live on Alston's group, and Sumo Deals as well, and we are live on LinkedIn and Twitter and YouTube as well.
Oh, wait.
Welcome to Enpa Talks. Okay, before
Yeah, sure.
I give the stage to you, um, what made you develop Ruttl? I know I saw that introduction as to why it was more of a frustration from your side, of not satisfying, etc. Why Ruttl? Because there were a couple of other very good, interesting products. And what made you develop Ruttl? So can we quickly start with the background of Ruttl?
Yes, yes. So yeah, first of all, thanks a lot for the introduction, Venki. And we hope we have more users like you who can actually push us, can actually irritate us to a level where we are forced to create something very fast, something very valuable very fast. And I think that helped us a lot. In fact, the CNAME feature that was the most talked about feature,
Yes.
we we were able to like launch it within months. And yep, and thanks to users like you, thanks to supporters like you. Um answering the question why Ruttl. So it actually starts with the journey of our agency, Drusera. So we started
Okay.
Drusera 4 years back. So again, just like you, we are also a design agency. We used to do website design, mobile application design, and stuff. Initially, it was just me and Siddhita, and when we used to design anything, and we didn't have this development skill set with us, so we used to outsource the development work. So
Okay.
yeah, and when we used to also, if I'm outsourcing, that means things are happening remotely most of the time. So what used to happen was, if I'm taking 10 hours to design a page and giving it to a developer, the final output they are sending to us was not up to the mark or not at all
Absolutely.
matching with the design. People say that okay, on Figma and InVision you get absolute values, you get values of the elements, then why the
Got it.
developer aren't able to achieve the pixel perfect result? The
Hmm.
reason being, Figma or InVision gives you absolute value in the sense, like if there's a element and it's showing the top margin, it will show you from the top, like the
Okay.
top edge of the page.
Okay.
But in reality these values are relative, and
Oh,
that's what forces the developers to take assumptions, and that's why all the mismanagement is happening, because
I see.
developer work on assumption, and that's why they are not able, they are errors, that's why they are error. So yeah, long story short is, we used to give it to developers, they used to send us the design, they are not up to the mark, we used to send them feedback in form of screenshot. One way was sending a screenshot. We used to encircle those items, like button is not in the right position, the font is not right.
Mm-hmm.
Another way of doing it was, we used to sit with them over screen share session, right click and inspect element. You must have done that as well.
That's right.
Just right click, inspect element, get into the diffs, and then tell them the values. I should give them the exact values. Okay, this is not 45 pixel, it should be 42 pixels.
Got it.
Okay, this is how I used to work. Me and Siddha both used to work. The entire process was so frustrating and also not practical for every designer in my team, because every one of them was not so much aware of HTML. Okay, but because I had a subject before, so I know a bit of coding as well, so I can do that inspect element and stuff, but not everyone can do. So we thought that why can't we create a tool which can actually take the screenshot thing and the inspect element thing
Yeah.
and automate the entire process, and
Okay.
that will save us a lot of time. So that's how Ruttl came into existence. So we
Fantastic.
never thought of launching it for the audience, for the launching it publicly. We always
Uh,
thought of using it as an
yourself.
internal tool for our own process optimization. So
Fantastic.
we are huge fans of process optimization. Even a small thing we want to do, we always think of ways we can optimize the process. We even have another tool that is Brutas. The same, the reason of creating Brutas was optimizing our internal stand-ups.
Okay.
Great fan of process optimization. So yeah, that's why I created Ruttl as an internal tool. After using it for around 5 to 6 months on some of our internal projects, we thought that yes, this product has a potential, and it
Okay.
can be also a valuable product for rest of the uh, like other designers as well.
Got it.
So why not launch it publicly?
Okay.
So
Fantastic.
yeah, so yeah,
In
this is the background story.
Yeah, in fact, that's a very thoughtful feature. I've not seen that in any other application. In my limited experience, saying that inspecting coming up and changing the image, because many times, as you said, they will say, okay, this color is not good, and then we do it again, send it. So there, you change it, and then sometimes we don't even make notes of it.
Yeah.
And whereas in this I can save, and then bring it back to the website, or the creatives actually. So my team thoroughly loves that. Particular that, versioning, because that is fantastic actually. I don't want to take everything, because I'm just talking about features which I really love.
Yeah.
Because sometimes we don't even know how much changes that has happened actually. But
Yeah.
your versioning actually says, hey, you know what, these are the number of changes that we done. And probably sometimes after the fourth change, he or she will come back to the first one. I said, okay, no, no, change this color, and then we can probably recode saying that this has already been done.
Yeah.
So these two are really thoughtful. I think you've really seen the frustration, and that experience is what has probably made you develop this product. So
Yeah.
so where are you based in, Harsh? And how large is your team?
Yep. So I'm based out of Mumbai, and
Okay.
Siddhita is also based out of Mumbai. So as I mentioned, we run a design agency as well. So the team is of 30 members now,
Oh,
and since it's a bootstrap startup, like bootstrap, like in the sense, Ruttl is also bootstrap, Brewster is also bootstrap. So there are a lot of resources we share from Brewster for Ruttl.
got it.
So at the moment, there are eight eight members working at Ruttl full time,
Okay.
and whenever
Okay.
we need any additional help or support, we ask Brusira to provide the same.
Fantastic. Okay, so can we quickly show a demo, of Ruttl, so that people can really see it in action, and see the excitement that I have experienced using Ruttl, and
Mhm.
probably let them also experience that.
Awesome.
Uh,
So yeah,
so would
I
it
hope
be?
yeah,
Yeah, sure. Please share your screen, and then
yeah, I hope everyone is ready for this.
definitely.
Awesome. So yeah, so this is the main dashboard that you see once you land on Ruttl. I have a lot of projects here, so I will just create a new project. Let's say I have a website Brutas, and yeah, I just name it. I can select which type of project it is, website or web application. Soon we are coming with the web application as well. So I just create a project. I think, sorry for this, guys. So yeah. So I create a project Brutas. So let's say my developer, I just designed this website and my developer shares a staging link with me. So that is brutas.com. So I just copy the link, paste it here. So it automatically fetches your entire website and actually make a replica. So it will take some time for loading for the first time because it actually has to create a lot of elements, a lot of components. Just wait. It's actually taking more time than have to. Hmm, what happened?
Just a quick housekeeping announcement in case your name is not displayed, and if it is Facebook user, please comment your name. Otherwise, you will miss out being part of the random pick for the giveaway. So, I do not know who this is. VenBa looking like F1 veteran. Thank you so much for the comment, but the name I'm not able to see. So kindly comment your name.
Yeah, here we are. So I already made few changes there. I think the new projects is there's some issue with that. So I just pick a new version here. Yes. So as you can see, Ruttl fetches my entire website in the platform. So earlier, what used to happen was, so let's say I have a issue that okay, the header is so big. So what I used to do is I used to take a screenshot, send it over WhatsApp or Slack, and then encircle in and tell the developer that okay, this heading is very big, this is small or something. Uh, this actually helps. Screenshot actually helps you to provide contextual feedbacks. So let's say the spacing is not right. So with Ruttl, what you can do is Ruttl um, help you to inspect each and every element. Now you can see that each and every element of your website is detectable. So you can leave contextual feedback directly on the website. So make this header smaller. Even if I have multiple team members in my team, I can see Siddhita is there in my team. So I can ask her, change the illustration. If I have to ask her to change the illustration. If there is a content writer, I can tell them change the copy. So a lot of contextual feedback I can give, and all of these feedback would be registered here. So as you can see, there's a list of all the comments that you did, and once these things are resolved, you can mark it resolved. So yeah, this is how you are maintaining comments or contextual feedbacks. Now, this was about the comments. So I have commented that okay, the header is not up to the mark or the header is bigger, so make it smaller. But the question is how small? So that's where the pixel perfection comes. So as I mentioned before that I used to inspect element and tell them the values. The whole purpose of telling the developers the values was I want my designs to be pixel perfect implemented. So we have this feature comment mode, preview mode, and in edit mode. I click on edit mode. As you can now see, once I click on this element, it shows me the entire CSS. And with this, you can see the font size is 42. So instead of telling that, okay, change, make it smaller, I can actually change it myself that, okay, 32 and save the changes. So now the developer will come, he will land on the object and see, okay, yes, the font size is now 32 pixel. He'll just change the font size, that's it. Your work would be super fast. So similarly, like if I have to, um, like if I have to decrease the padding, I'll just hit my arrow key and change the margins. You can see the margins are changing. Everything and anything you can do here because now then your entire website is editable. Similarly, if you ask a content writer to change the content writer can actually get on board and edit the content here only and save changes. It's that simple. So your developer just have to come, copy the new content and paste it. So yes, even with Ruttl, you can also change the assets. So if this is not the correct icon, I want to add some image. So there's an Unsplash integration we did. Okay, so it will, yeah, with the image. I'm really sorry, something. I will just add an image. space. So let's say this. I will save the image, add it to downloads. I can upload the new picture. Where is the see? So I just added another image. So I can actually show what image looks better. So yeah, this is how Ruttl works. So basically helps not just help you to tell developers what are the changes, but also help you to visualize the changes. So now you can make a lot of use cases in the sense. So let's say you want to try different fonts for, so just create a version, save this version, create another version. And now instead of this, let's make it enter. So now you can share it with your client or with your team that, okay, hey, look, how about we make it to sans serif? How it will look, the entire. So without even going to the design stage, you can just come here, you can make the changes and show it to the stakeholders to get the feedbacks faster. So here you don't need any developers, any designer to help you with. You can just come yourself, change the copy. You can actually try out different versions of the copy for the website. You can try different typography, font style, anything and everything, different images, you just name it. So in short, Ruttl creates a digital editable canvas of your live website, and now you're open, like it's open to use. You can think of n number of use cases with this. I have some use cases. So I also use Ruttl for sales pitch sometimes. I also use Ruttl to actually give it to the candidates who apply for the role of UI UX designers. They just copy paste, they just comment, and they just do the editings, kind of assignment for them. So multiple use case you can think of, and yes, you can use it as per your need. So yep, this is pretty much of it.
Hey, fantastic. So thank you, Harsh. That was a very nice demo. See, in fact, there one question that has come up saying, is this only for design, or can they also have dynamic pages, for example, programmed pages, etc.? Can those designs be there, or it's only static?
Okay, so at the moment we are focusing on websites, the marketing websites. In our product roadmap, we do have this web application as well.
Yeah,
So by the end of March, not even end of March, by the mid of March, you will be able to add your internal dashboards, your
fantastic.
web application. Even you can review LinkedIn over there, your logged in LinkedIn profile. You can change your names and stuff. I like actually we created a Chrome extension. In that Chrome extension, you can do anything. Like I can actually edit my WhatsApp app messages,
Oh my
just
goodness.
make it anything you want.
Okay,
So yep. So you will be able to do that by March mostly.
Yeah, March or
fantastic.
April. Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah, you're creating that excitement actually. So okay, so okay, Sajwal is asking any time limit on the video comment.
Yeah. So for the free accounts, we do have
Yes.
1 minute time limitation. However, for the paid accounts, you can actually record a video up to 10 minutes. And
Up
we think that is appropriate, like that is a good enough time, 10 minutes of video.
Okay, up to 10 minutes
Yep.
is a video. Yeah, that's. I mean, beyond that, we'll also get bored looking at the video. So it is up to 10 minutes. Can we review videos in this, or it is just static pages?
I'm not able
Uh,
to understand how you are able to uh, like get everything we want to do. Get in the sense, whatever you're talking about, everything is in our pipeline.
Okay,
So just soon after web application, we also have video review options. So currently
okay,
we are allowing image review and PDF review, but
yes,
later stage we are also opening it for video reviews. So where
Fan-
at each and every frame you can leave comments.
Okay. So
Yeah.
my next greedy question. So all these new features, will it be available for the existing
Yes.
customers, or will those be an add-on?
Yeah, they will be available. However, there will be certain features we will be adding later on, which will be coming as a top-ups.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Fair
So,
enough.
yeah. So there would be some feature at the design side. There would be some feature at the development side. So I can see a question here. This question is
We can comment test, but we
Mausam
should
Chaudhary. Question from Mausam Chaudhary. It's
No,
not
no.
a
1 minute. Hold, or
yeah.
let's look at
Okay.
Sajwal's question here.
Okay.
Can I set
Mhm.
my own custom time limit in terms of
Video.
video? You said 10 minutes. So Sajwal is asking, can I set the time limit?
No,
I mean, I
I
do
think
not know
No,
what.
yeah, that's a very like user specific thing, and yeah, definitely like everyone wants the tool to be custom created for
True.
them. We would definitely like to do that, but yep, the current bandwidth doesn't allow us to do that. So yep, maybe in the later future we can do. Even some of the users even ask for us that is there any option I can switch on and switch off the custom branding.
Yeah.
Yes, it should be there. But yeah, not at this stage. At the later stage, we will be doing that.
Yeah. In fact, I mean, the CNAME with respect to even logging screens and all, you have changed it
Yep.
so that it is completely white labeled. So
Yep.
I
And
really
we will
appreciate that.
improve it further. Yeah, we will improve it further. Even at this stage, the emailers are pending. So the emailer that you get are still Ruttl branded.
Rattle. Okay.
So we are
So
changing that as well.
so
We are,
so should we should be able to use our own SMTP? Is that what you're saying?
yep.
Okay, fantastic.
Yep.
So this is a question from Mausam Chaudhary. We can comment text, but can you add whiteboard also so that we can draw what I need?
Whiteboard in the sense
Means annotations.
annotation. Yep. So we are actually, if you see, I just
Yeah, I
showed
want to
here.
share a screen again.
yeah, you can.
We are currently going in that direction. So can you see my screen?
Yes, yes, yes.
So when
We
I
could.
comment, so when I video comment, do the video comment thing, you can see there's a pen option here.
You okay?
So we had started building those functionalities, but at the moment it just limited till the video comment feature. But soon what we'll be doing is we'll just implement it to regular comments as well. So instead of pins, you can also drop rectangles and other things. So rectangles, circles, maybe some pen drawing. Because people do comment like this, like sometimes they want to draw some arrows here and show that okay, this should be the direction and stuff. So yeah, this is in pipeline. We'll be making it live soon.
Okay, fantastic. So let's take the screen. Oh, oops. Okay, you stopped sharing the screen. Okay. So going to the next question. Okay, Mosam is asking, is your team working on this tool only or you are working on other products? I think Mosam, you tuned in a little late. I think they started with this background. Maybe Harsh, you could just give us
Yeah.
very brief
So
answer to
yeah.
this again.
So Mosam, we started with Brusera, that was a design agency, and in order to optimize our own processes, we built Ruttl. We have also built another tool that is Brutask, the website I'm showing to you. So yep, and in future as well, we'll keep on building tools that can help us optimize our internal processes. And yes, if people can get benefit out of it, then we'll launch it as well.
Fantastic. So, I mean, this is a very interesting question. There are certain psychological tricks with respect to color on which side the click buttons be, font size, etc. Can your tool in future inspect my page and automatically give suggestions based on standard recommendations?
Okay. Oh my God, your audience is so smart.
Yeah,
So,
actually.
yep, this is again in the pipeline. But yep, 3 years down the line, almost, or at least 3 years down the line. It's that because we will be needing at least 2 to 3 years to gather that much of data,
Okay.
and with the help of artificial
Yeah.
intelligence and machine learning, we will be able to achieve that.
Okay. I'm sure you would have seen products like Attention Insight, right? So, uh, have you, I mean, do you know about Attention Insight?
No,
Okay.
No.
Okay. So it
is
kind of,
that the heat map thing?
yeah. Yes, you are right.
Okay. Yeah. So,
So
yeah. So as I told you, that Ruttl is currently open for explorations. So because we are into the feedback zone, domain, so anything related with feedback, we will be implementing it in near future.
uh,
So let's say if bug tracking is comes under that, so we will be implementing that. On page SEO is one of the thing we are working currently. So basically, where the tool can tell you the keyword density, can actually suggest you the right keywords, right content as well.
brilliant.
So yeah, so there are a lot of things that the tool will be taking shape into, but yeah, it will be a bit slow process. We want to understand the existing users first,
Got
understand
it.
their need, which part they want to focus first, which are the things they get the most value, and then yes, accordingly we'll move.
Okay. So I still do not know your name. Even in the random pick, I mentioned it as Telugu name only. Okay, I apologize if it is already discussed. Is changes and comments made live immediately? If two people talking on phone, if one makes change, other person will see it immediately and give feedback. Yeah,
Yeah,
I mean
Yes,
real time.
it's real
real
time.
time.
Things are happening
Ye-
real time. In this as well, we are we are going to introduce a feature where all the people sitting live in your team, you can see
mhm.
those people and you can actually talk to them.
Yeah, so you can collaborate
Oh,
on that.
audio is also
Yes,
there. Yeah, I
yeah,
mean I saw that in the roadmap
yes,
actually.
push to talk and all stuff.
Push it on.
Okay,
So
oh, that's
we'll try
interesting.
to,
So
yeah,
so I probably need not log into some Zoom or something like that and do it so that I
No.
can do everything in this itself. Okay, like a
Yeah.
push to talk. So when is this expected?
uh,
Ah,
near future.
Okay,
Yeah.
I think Harsh has become careful after that 15-day CNAME deadline that was given.
So yeah, so in fact for CNAME and all, CNAME one, like we just made Asana integration live.
Okay.
And Asana integration, we made it live because one user told us that if you can make Asana integration live, we will purchase the enterprise plan. So we said, okay,
Oh,
challenge accepted. We make it live in 1 week. And yes, they
okay.
purchased the deal. So
Okay.
what that was.
So, oh, looks like, I'm not the only one who challenged you. There are quite a few people who have done that.
Everyone challenges
yeah,
us, like because
there are many.
designers actually know what's the value of this product, and they're actually excited about what future it holds and what all use cases there could be. So yeah, they
Got it.
keep on pinging us with multiple things, a lot of things. One of them, like very beautiful suggestion came in our Slack community that you now can see on our public roadmap as well. That visual mapping of projects. So
Okay.
basically,
Yeah.
in a visual way, like currently you can see that you enter to a project and you see all the pages.
Yeah.
So now what will happen is you enter a project, there would be a tree. It will show all the pages linked, and inside
Okay.
those pages, what other pages are linked.
No,
So
no, don't bring this feature. I mean, I just bought a product which does it, separately. So, I want
there would be
others to buy
different
that as
views.
well.
There would be different views for those who want to use this. They can use those who don't want can stick to the conventional Ruttl dashboard.
Fantastic,
Yeah.
fantastic. Okay, so I mean, this is a surprising comment. In fact, I am a user of Ruttl. I do not feel so, but then anyway, I'll leave it to them. Can you tell us when was the last update done? I'm reading reviews that users are not happy with the update timeline.
Okay. So, see, users were definitely not happy when we launched on AppSumo. We understand that all the reviews that you see, which are done 2 months back, 2 months back
Back.
or 3 months back,
That's right.
yeah, everyone is saying that okay, the product is not ready. There are a lot of bugs and all stuff. We do understand that, and we worked hard, really hard, to make like the product as stable as possible. See, at this stage as well, the product is not that stable. But yep,
Yes.
we are doing it. We are like every day there is a feedback. Every day there is a feature update. Every day there is a like improvement, a bug improvement, or let's say a feature improvement, and all the kind of improvement. But the reason why we are not actually notifying our users is because we are already bugging them with like spamming them with a lot of other marketing emailers. A lot
Yeah,
of
I
people
know.
ask for like stop sending these, stop send, because we had this issue with this email notification as well. We were trying to
Okay.
solve that for the like for the straight 2 months. We were trying to solve that. We could not figure out like how people are not still getting the emails. So yeah, that's why we decided to reduce the number of emails, reduce the number of updates. So what we did was, there's a what's new section on Ruttl. If you check, so I'm just sharing my screen.
Sure. 1 minute. I'll bring it on to the stage. Yes, there it is.
Yeah, there's a what's new section. In this section, you can see all the major updates.
Fair enough.
Okay, so last update we sent on December 9, introducing Asana integration. So what we're trying is, we are trying to keep a very low profile in terms of when it comes to uh, sending mails to the users, at
Mm-hmm.
least at this stage. Once we figure out the proper process, like the email marketing, and like what, like we also want to segregate the users. We
Got
also
it.
want to see who are using the team plans. There should be a different type of email set going to them. The
Got it.
people who are using product more frequently should get different type of emailers. People not using product frequently. So yeah, all these things need to figure out. So yeah, that's why.
Fantastic. So there is a question that has come up. Then can I filter changes or comments made by single person or tag based on filtering? So I
Give
can
us, yeah,
see
give us
the
both.
changes need to be done by me.
Yeah, give us 3 weeks of time, please. We'll be done.
Okay. So
Yep,
this is in
already
the
invited.
roadmap
Yeah,
and being developed.
yep,
Yes.
pipeline.
I do not know if people saw your roadmap and are coming and asking the same
Yep.
questions. Okay,
No, no,
so it's a
it's totally
hello from
invited.
somebody. I do not know who it is. If you want to be part of the giveaway, please comment your name. But anyway, hello. Okay, so okay, there's one more question that has come up saying, can I export changes or comments to Excel?
Yeah,
So that
so we are actually making this feature live only for enterprise plans.
okay,
So exporting and exporting in Excel format and PDF format. So yep, will be live only for enterprise plans.
okay, fantastic. So okay, there is a question that has come up saying that uh, how are you planning to support these LTD users, because even now you are selling LTD, so what is your sustenance methodology, or what is your plan for sustaining this?
Okay. So, sustaining in the sense, the reason why we sold LTD was to have more wonderful users, and they can help us build the product.
Got it.
The intent was never to have a greater business with LTD, because everyone knows that the lifetime value of a subscriber is much higher than a LTD value, especially
True.
when you're selling it on a platform like AppSumo, where they provide you just 25% of the revenues you make. So 75% they take. So there
I
was
know.
no profits in that, but the only benefit we got was that we now have a lot of users using the product,
Users.
right
True.
set of users, in fact, because
Hmm.
only the person who appreciate the product will buy the LTD. No one else.
Absolutely.
So these are the
Absolutely.
right exact kind of audience we need for our product. So yeah, that's why LTD. Moving ahead, we'll keep on introducing other LTD programs. So let's say next year Black Friday, maybe it would be there, and even we can have a like LTD for on yearly basis. But yep, we will make sure that all the features that we are making live will be also live for LTDs, because I've read a lot of reviews on AppSumo. People complaints about that people sell on AppSumo, then they charge the LTD users to pay more. So yeah, that's not going to happen with us. So because we are here because of you people, and so we'll like respect that, and we always work with you for like in order to make the
Fantastic.
experience better and better.
Fantastic. That's so very nice. And in fact, there's one more question, that is, these real-time communication, are they end-to-end encrypted?
um, like real-time communication, first of all, there are no real-time communication. at this stage. There's just okay, email marketing
No,
problems.
no, that's the next one.
Okay, so first of all, like for the comments and all, so we are making the product as secure as possible, and that no one can get into our servers or like hack all your comments.
Okay.
But yeah, we are giving more importance to security now, because the current focus was to build the product, but now the product is at a stage. We have hired more developers, backend developers actually, to improve the security even further.
Okay, fantastic.
Yeah.
So Carlos is asking a question. What is the main difference from your competitor Brandox?
I've never used Brandox actually,
Yeah.
but I can actually check the Brandox. Okay. If you can also send the link, that would be great.
Okay, Carlos, they have not worked with Brandox. So if you could share the link, they will be very
Yeah, we
happy
heard
to look
this
at it.
website first time.
Okay. Hi, Kiran. Hi, Vishnath Reddy. And those of you who are messaging or commenting, if your name is not there, please comment your name as well, so that I won't leave you for the giveaway pick. Okay, so that is okay. Let's look at another question. Okay, anyway, Jeannie applied for a job with you, Harsh. You can probably
Hmm.
reach out to
Okay,
if at
Jenny,
all you need
just
it for
send
your
a mail
email
at,
marketing
yeah,
problem.
yeah,
Okay,
send a mail at harsh@ruttl.com,
okay.
and
So
if we find that, yep, so
okay, send a mail at harsh@ruttl.com. Okay. There's one more. Okay. So this is a very interesting, I wouldn't say interesting, but I think is solving Ruttl. So if I can change the font size and edit the website myself,
Mhm.
why should I send it to a developer? I think
Okay.
I know the answer, but anyway, I'll leave it to you to
Yeah.
answer.
So currently the functionality is not to make the changes directly live on the server. The functionality is like make the changes, help the developer or other stakeholder visualize them. So it's not going directly on your hosted website. It is there on Ruttl server. Yeah. So that would be my answer to this. So there's still a gap. It's not directly going live. But yeah, same thing in our pipeline as well.
Okay. So
So
the
everything you can think of is already there in our pipeline.
okay, that's a Brandox website for you.
Okay.
You know, probably if there are some nice features on it,
Yes.
you could probably use them.
Okay.
Okay. So
Nice preview. Mhm.
yeah, so 1 minute. Let me see if there are any questions from LinkedIn as well. Guys, to be eligible for the giveaway, you need to engage on this post. Please keep your messages or questions coming up. In case you don't see your name, please enter,
So
comment your
I
name
want
as
to
well.
answer the question of Brandox. I just visited the website and saw the feature section. Brandox is a very small section of Ruttl. The image replacement that we are doing, that's what Brandox is doing, but yeah, in a more sophisticated way.
Okay,
So yeah, I think Brandox is focusing on all the branding related items.
Only asset changing, we would say.
Asset changes. So
Yeah.
we do have that on Ruttl as well, change image replacement and all.
okay,
And we'll
fantastic.
make it more sophisticated for sure.
Okay, so now let's come to the commercial part of this session.
Mhm.
I mean, has the LTD been running on your website as well? Have you guys not gone to monthly subscription? Has it always been there?
So we already have 60 plus monthly subscriber,
Okay,
recurring paid users,
okay,
because we started with the subscription like 2 months back only.
yeah,
Before that, there were no subscription, and just like during AppSumo, like we got some LTD users. Now Black Friday was another campaign for LTD. Apart from that, we are keeping LTD open on our server for now till 31st of December. But
okay.
post that, but yeah, the prices are not discounted one. We are maximum giving 20% on the LTDs,
I saw that.
but now focusing mostly on subscriptions, because
Okay,
that's the That's going to be our recurring revenue sources, and that is how the company will survive.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
Okay. Most of it's already there. You can sign up for an affiliate program. Probably I'll ask Harsh to share the link at the end. They do have an affiliate program to their product, and you can definitely suggest it to people, and you can bring in new monthly customer.
Yeah.
And as always with any affiliate program, I'm sure that there would be some benefits to
Yeah.
you as well.
So the affiliation program, we are actually giving it till 31st of December only.
Okay.
And so you will have the affiliation program just for LTD. We haven't made it for like subscriptions, but yeah, by the end of this month, we will be also adding it for the monthly subscribers. So yeah, you can
Fantastic.
come and like just get associated with us. There's a link I will be sharing with you.
Yeah, can you just post that link on the private chat, Harsh, so that I can share it on the stream as well? Okay, so while he's getting the link, I do not know who commented this particular nice. I still haven't got your name. Okay, so please comment your name so that I can make you part of the random giveaway that uh, Ruttl team has agreed to give it to people who are engaging on these posts. So I do not know which stream you are watching us. I did see it in a couple of streams. Somehow I'm not able to get that message. So pardon me and please share your name so that I don't miss it. Okay. So have you shared the comment? Sorry, link, Harsh.
Um, okay, where I
Okay.
can.
Okay, so Harsh, probably I think you should engage on the engage on the stream in all the posts, and then probably give all the links there as well, so that it will be helpful. Okay,
Sure.
there's one more question probably that's come up asking: is there a public roadmap that is available?
Yeah. You can see on our footer, Ruttl footer, there is a public roadmap link.
Okay, what is the link for that?
It's a Trello link.
Sorry,
Trello.
It's a Trello link.
Ruttl.com/Trello, is it?
No, no. So I'm just okay. I'm sharing that link as well.
Yeah. So, yeah, okay, Trello, fine. So there is
You
a
can see that on our footer as well on Ruttl website.
okay, so you can see that on the footer, and this is the link for the roadmap. And Harsh, probably you or one of your team member should go to all the streams and
Yeah.
engage there. Give them this link so that it will be helpful for people.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
For people. So this is the public roadmap link: trello.com/bd9051ezx slash rattle hyphen public road dot hyphen roadmap. Easier thing is go to rattle.com. You will find it in the footer. Is that right, Harsh?
Yes. Yes. Absolutely.
Okay, fantastic. So yeah, my pleasure as well for giving. Never heard of this tool before. Okay. Yeah, this is interesting. Hello, just got here. Can you guys tell me what is Rattle?
Okay.
Sorry, thanks.
Okay. In the simplest language, Ruttl is a website feedback tool that helps you to review live website and by allowing you to comment directly on the website. So instead of taking screenshots, you can now comment directly on the website and also make real-time edits, so you can give precise values to your developers and achieve pixel perfect results. So yeah, I think that's the shortest.
Fantastic. So, Patrick, I'm a customer of Ruttl for the last 3 months. The way I use it is, whenever I have a customer to develop some creatives, it could be websites or it could be some images, posters or banners, etc. We post it on Ruttl, give the link to the customer, and they come and comment in terms of, whether we have done it the way that they want. Interesting thing about Ruttl is, while in all the other tools they can probably mark it, annotate, and say, change this, change that, and all those things. Here, we could change. I mean, like how using inspect you can change in Google Chrome or whatsoever. In within Ruttl, you can make those minor edits there itself, so that your customer can see it immediately and approve. And there are versioning as well, so you will very clearly know how the instructions from the customer is taken, and then if they want to change the color, and then they have something in mind and they tell something, and we go back and come back with a different color and they say, no, I don't like this, etc. So you can play around with the color codes, images, so on and so forth. That's how I'm using it. And there are multiple use cases for Ruttl, but plain use case is getting feedback for creative work, and it could be websites or images, etc. There are fantastic features that are coming up in the roadmap. Okay, so he's commenting with voice and video on the roadmap. Also comments with the possibility to upload an attachment would be smart.
Yep. So video is already there live.
Yeah,
Commenting with attachments would be live in this week only, like by Monday it should be live. And voices, yes, voices, we can think of adding them as attachments. But yep, thanks a lot for the suggestion of voice.
fantastic.
Mhm.
So finally, Mosam is asking, along with this webinar, kindly add some video tutorials or channel regarding your product and updates. Maybe a YouTube channel if you already do not have. But okay, it is there.
Is
Okay,
there?
Siddhita says there is a channel, but
Yes.
Mosam, more importantly, they have a very very active Slack channel. In fact, I think a lot of things are being discussed there. They take feedback, bugs are being discussed, new feature updates, everything. The Slack is extremely active. So that is also an option that you should look at. And the YouTube, yes, they do have a channel. I'll post all these links in various posts so that you can go and have a look at it.
This
But
is the
anyway,
Slack
suggestion
channel. You
taken.
can join the Slack from here.
Okay. uh, Patrick, okay, thank you guys for the explanation. That is sounds great. Is that a cloud based software? Yes, it
Yeah.
is. It is a SaaS product. It is a cloud based software, Patrick. So okay, so coming back to the pricing. Okay, so do we have this LTD available for the Bring Again and the Alston's group? And are you going to give us some special discounts? Because without asking you, I already announced that
Yeah,
they
yeah.
will have some
Surely.
insane discounts.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay.
Yeah,
uh,
definitely. So, as you all know, so we did this during Black Friday. 75%, we did like 75% flat discount on our LTDs. Although that got over in the month, like by the start of December. But yes, just like after talking to Venki, we decided that, yep, all the users are going with the Venki's code till 31st of December will be getting 75% flat discount on the LTDs. So
Fantastic. Thank you
anytime,
so much.
yeah,
So till the end of December, is it?
yeah,
Okay,
Yes.
so this is where you can purchase the plan, and the code is mentioned below. Use the code mentioned below. You should be able to get 75% discount on their pricing.
yeah.
I mean, I'm sorry, again, a greedy question, because I need to get the best for my community as well. So will it go to the, after this discount, will it go back to the pricing of the earlier first deal that you came out, or will it be expensive than that?
Uh, which deal?
Which one?
The first one that you came up with.
The first one during Black Friday or
Yeah.
Absolute?
No, earlier, absolutely.
AppSumo. No, no, no. AppSumo was $50 for Pro. That's too harsh on us.
Okay.
So yeah, but yep, we actually do this a lot when people ask us, like a lot of people reach out to us. Okay, hey, giving $500 in a go is not possible for us. Can
Split
we
pay.
do some installment, split it all, or like some little bit discount? What we do generally is we just ask them politely, hey, like will definitely do that, but if you would be kind enough to leave a review on
Yeah.
Capture and Search first. So yeah, that's a value for both of us.
Yeah.
For you, it's a lifetime value. For us, it's a like, yeah, initially it's kind of a
Definitely.
fact for us. So yeah.
So so um I mean, I also saw one more thing when I went and tried to buy this, using the code.
Hmm.
So, as a, this thing is said additional 10% discount. So will we get an additional 10% discount with this coupon
Yeah,
as well?
I think additional 10% was just for like the Cyber Monday, I guess.
Okay.
No, no,
Yeah,
not
yeah,
for
it
Cyber
was
Monday.
for
Those
Cyber
who
Monday.
registered, those who registered before Black Friday, 26th of November.
Okay.
So there was a registration portal we started at that time.
Okay.
But yep, if you are it depends on our long term relationship. Obviously, we are even happy to give you any kind of discount. Yep, just think. Let's think of mutual benefit, ways we can mutual benefit each other. So yep,
So this link that you're sharing now, ruttl.com/privilege plan, is a lifetime plan, right? It's a one-time payment plan.
one time payment. And
Okay.
that's it.
Okay, so one more time, you get a 75% discount on their current plans, and it's a lifetime deal again. And if you probably give an after using it, if you give an honest review on Captira or G2, maybe some additional features could be available for you. Reach out to support, and I've been a very satisfied customer of. Okay. Yeah, definitely. I will
And
share. Can you guys share? Please share the links in chat. Also, the discount codes. Please. Okay. I'll definitely do that. I do not know. I think it's still Patrick. I'll definitely add all the links and the discount code in all the posts so that you can use that there.
And guys, this is the right time to buy this plan. Reason being, although yeah, the product might not be as for your what you are expecting, or it's not the exact fit what we're looking for, but yep, soon it will be. So it's a lifetime deal, and it would be available only for this year. So yeah, it's kind of
Fantastic.
a steal, especially
O-
with Banky's code.
Okay. So
Yeah,
fine. So let me share my screen. The most awaited part of our session, the giveaway time.
awesome.
Okay, let me share my screen. I've noted down the names of people who engaged on the various platforms. Da-da. Okay, there you go. I'll give you a minute for you to check if your name is there on the wheel. If it is not there, kindly comment your name. Do not just say my name is not there. Comment your name, because had I seen your name, comment on the name, I would have definitely entered. Abdul
And
Rahman,
Banky,
yes, it
what
is
is
there.
there in the giveaway?
So sorry,
Yeah.
Harsh.
Yeah, you didn't mention what is there in the giveaway.
Yeah, you get I mean, lifetime code.
Lifetime.
Pro
Yeah,
plan for free.
okay, pro plan for free. And whoever wins this. So can I can I spin the wheel? Okay, and for those of you who probably will not win that lifetime plan, you need to go to ruttl.com/privilege plans and use the code to get a 75% discount. It's definitely a very good buy if in case you are doing. Okay, Marcus Geringer. Okay, I will add that name as well.
So how many contestants we have here?
23.
Amazing.
Okay, these are the ones who engaged with us on the streams. Okay, let me shuffle and then spin. Sajwal.
Congratulations, Sajwal.
Congratulations, Sajwal.
Sajwal, please comment in whichever stream that you are in to claim your code. Sajwal.
Oh, Sajwal is here.
Oh,
Yes, okay. Sajwal is there. So Sajwal wins, uh, the Ruttl code. Sajwal, please create an account and share the email ID
Good.
with me or Harsh, and they will be able to upgrade
Yep.
your account to a
Yep.
lifetime plan.
Congratulations, Sajwal. You just won a lifetime deal worth rupees $600. Congratulations.
Okay, and incidentally, Sajwal was the first one to message as well, and
yeah.
Sajwal, you're being too lucky on our streams. Just like how we how we actually jinxed Chaitanya, we are going to jinx you as well, so that you don't win anything henceforth. Okay, so anyway, all the very best, Sajwal. Thank you so much. And you need some oil for the wheel. Yes, definitely, I need some oil for the wheel. Maybe next time we'll try something else.
Marcus
Uh,
was that close to win.
yeah,
Yeah.
I was actually thinking it's going to be him, and
I
last
even
minute,
I thought it was Marcus.
yeah, you just missed it, Marcus. I'm sorry about it. And Sajwal was lucky. Okay, thank you so much, Harsh and Siddhita. All the very best. And for those of you who want to buy Ruttl, okay, they have a lifetime plan running till the end of the month with a 75% discount. So and then they have also promised that they will be engaging in all the streams in the various groups. If you have any questions, please drop it there so that either Harsh or Siddhita or somebody from their team will definitely answer those your questions, and reach out to them in case you want to give them a nice review after using Ruttl. They'll be, a very young team, and definitely needs to be encouraged by people like us. Chaitanya, why Chaitanya winning giveaways? Yeah, in fact, you and I have lost all the luck, Chaitanya. I think a lot of people uh, started, envying us that we are winning a lot of giveaways, and so now I think we are doing the same thing to Sajwal now. Okay, so thank you so much, and
Yeah.
Thank you so
thanks,
much, Frankie.
community. Thanks for the support as you always been offering, and I'm so happy to bring Rattle to all you people, because this is one of the product I really love, and you guys have been doing a phenomenal job in terms of your updates or probably engaging the customer. I really like the patience with which you are handling unruly customers like me. So appreciated. Thank you
Yep.
so much.
Awesome, man. Thanks a lot,
Thank
everyone.
you.
Have a
Bye
great
bye.
time. Bye bye.
Yes. Bye bye.